Hello everyone, welcome back. In this section, I'm going to show you how you can work with images in Django. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So what I'll do, I'll just split this in two. So to split this, just come here and then click here, open new window, and then minimize this. So now we have these two windows that we've minimized, so that's perfect. So I will use this one. I will navigate. I want to choose the image that I want to use here. So let me just say I want to use this image, so that's perfect. I'll just leave it here, and then here I will have to navigate to my to find my directory, the project that I'm working on, and then let me just push this here. Okay, I can't push this, but I can do this, and I can push it here, and I can do this. Okay, that's fine. Then I will have to find this directory, and I have to find my project, and I have to open this, and I have to open static, and I have to open images, and all I will do is I'll copy this image and I'll come and paste it here. And or what you can do, you can just let's say you can just drag it and drop it into the Pycharm. So before I do that, before I navigate to Pycharm, I just want to rename this image. So I'll just say, let's say upscale, for easy of referencing, right? So that's perfect. So after once we've done this, then close, then now we are back in Pycharm. So let's just take a look, and as you can see, our image is there now. So that's perfect. So now what we want to do is we want to load this image. We want it to show on our home page. So to do that, let's navigate to our home page where we have written welcome to our site. So what we will do is we will have to just say, let's say IMG, right? We have to do this, right? So now let's open this tag, and then let's write static, and let's just say IMG, and let's just say upscale, and let's say .png, and then let's close the tag. So that's perfect, right? So now that's it. So let's just say here, let's just give it a short description. Let's just say upscale, right? Perfect. So that's it. So now let's navigate and see what's gonna happen on our page. So let's just do this, and let's just run our saver, Python run saver, and let's see if it's gonna show. Perfect. So you see now it's showing, but it's too big. As you can see, it's failing. The image is too big. It needs I think it needs to be controlled, but this is all I need to show you. So what I will do is in the next section I will show you how to resize this image and how to set up our navigation bar, our menu bar on top. So stay tuned.